Hey guys, welcome to my channel Her Life. This is my first video and it's gonna be a very informal one. I'm gonna be sharing my skin type and my usual skin concerns. Also, I'll be telling you what this channel is going to be about, what are the things that I'll be showing you, and so without any further small talk, let's get started. I have already finished my cleansing and toning part and now it's time to move towards moisturization. For that I use Clary Sage Aroma Magic Moisturizer. It's by Blossom Kochar. I know that you might have not heard about this brand and that's because it's a purely organic brand and it's not very popular. I mostly use and I'll be mostly using these organic products in this video. So yeah. Now I'm going to be using this foundation by Ruby's Organics. It's a pretty high-end brand, I'll say. Last time I purchased it, it cost me rupees 1500 or so, and that too, I think 2 or 3 years ago. And it has a very long shelf life. It's also an organic one and it's pretty good. By the way, did you know that some high-end brands, their foundations mostly look a bit darker when you pump them out, but then when you blend it, it looks like magic. It looks very nice, like as you can see. And I've taken a very small quantity because I wanted to make it look like my skin only. I have a very dry skin and I do care about the moisturization part a lot. And now I'll be using this Just Herbs mini lipstick collection, and from that I'll be taking this top shade. Back at that time I didn't have a contour and I used to use this as my contour, and also I wasn't very good at contouring, like my techniques were not a lot refined. Now I do own a contour. By the way, I didn't tell you, I did shoot this video a long time ago, like probably a year or so, and this is how I used to do it. Very, not my face shape friendly. I have a pretty much oval face and I used to do it like this, and I used to drag this contour down towards my mouth, which elongates the oval face much more, which is not a very good technique. I will not suggest you to do this. I will show you the right technique in my later videos. And also I'll be working on my video quality and audio quality. I have already purchased a ring light, so you will not have any problems, I guess. Okay, now moving on to the setting part. I will be setting the below part of the contouring with this powder, Lakme's compact powder. Another thing about my channel, I'll be mostly doing makeup tutorials, and not like this voiceover kind of thing. I will be doing direct, talking makeup tutorials, and also some of the lifestyle videos like dressing and all those things. I don't know yet what I'll be doing, but I have thought mostly about makeup and some fashion and style parts, but maybe I'll be exploring more things down the line. Stay tuned for that. And this is where it all started to go very, very wrong. I took this black color from my eyeshadow palette and started blending it on my eyebrow, thinking that it will look cool, but it became way too thick for my facial features. I do not have sharp facial features. I have very soft kind of features, I am an Indian, by the way, but a bit more like Korean or Japanese people do have. Like, they have very soft faces, very cute kind of faces. So I do have that, and I really messed this up. I made very bad eyebrows, to be honest. I also posted a shorts on it, which is not yet viral. By the way, this contouring part about my video, I made a short out of this and it went pretty viral, you know. And that was why I got the confidence to start this channel. I thought I will start this channel a year ago when I made this video, but then I didn't have the courage inside me to do that, because, you know, I didn't ever think like I am a very, you know, makeup kind of person, like very beautiful or so, who will be able to do good makeup or post good videos as such. And this is how I did my eye makeup. I think I did is pretty much well, and it turned out pretty well. It was a kind of a bold eye makeup, I guess. And here comes the blush. I used to use powder blush back then, which is not dry skin friendly, to be honest. I didn't own a lot of products back then, but in last year, in October or so, I purchased a lot of products. This is a dense brush, by the way. I tried to pack some white shadow on my inner corners to give that effect, that gradient effect, and I think it was good. In reality, I thought that the blush looked very much, you know, toned up. That's why I set it with like skin looking powder, and it worked. But in camera, it might not look like a lot of blush. And here comes the eyeliner part. I think I did it very well. Like, it was the first time I did my eyeliner so well. Well, to be honest, I am a very beginner kind of person. I do not know a lot of makeup. I just like exploring products and I like to play with colors. That's all. And I am learning. I'm still learning, but let's learn together. Why not? And I don't know why I was dragging it down like that. I didn't know a lot of techniques back then. But throughout this year, like throughout the last year and so, I have, you know, researched a lot about makeup techniques and makeup products and all of this. And now I think I am pretty much well skilled. And I lined my lips, which was also not a very correct way. And this lipstick, it is a Mamaearth lipstick. Maybe you have heard about this brand, and it is really good. Like, I don't know about the other products. I have only, you know, used this lipstick and also their lip balm, and it's pretty good. Like, it's very moisturizing. It gives a matte finish. It stays on for like hours, and this color is very good. It suits me very well. Then I use this white shadow from my palette and used it to highlight. I didn't have a highlighter back then as well, and also highlighted my nose and the T-zone. I think I messed up my eyebrows, but finally I made it look well. Not in reality, but at least in camera. And this is how it went. Tell me if you like this video. Comment down below. I will show you the siren makeup look on the next one. So bye.